silver. Now we are based on daily chart. We want to analyze the chart. Okay, as we can see based on the daily chart, and we explained in my last video, what we are more interested, in the down move if we get, because we are looking into this correction. We want, if the price drop, then we want to see if the correction finished. Then from there we can look for the up move. But the question is, the thing is, there is a possibility that the price from here can continue and move higher without getting this down move. But the reason I say we are more interested in this down move if we get, because in terms of the risk and reward can give us a better trade. Okay, now the question is, if we consider this is the top, we put our line here for the top of the structure. Now the thing is, as I say, we are more interested in the down move. Now the thing is how the possibility of we get the down move within this range, we need to look into it, where we can get the trade, whether with the down move we get from here or higher, or even the price come to this level. Again, I need to mention that when we are looking, we talking about the down move, the reason is we are looking to entire this correction. Okay, it doesn't mean we will get this one. If we get, we take it. We are more interested. And as I say, the possibility the price from here can continue move higher without getting this down move also is there. Okay, in this case, we want to see how we can trade it. Based on the daily chart, we don't have any trade set up. And if we put our line at the highest price, for the highest price at the top is here. Okay, now we want to see how we, based on lower time frame, whether we have any trade set up or not. Okay, based on lower time frame, okay, what I want to show here is that if we consider these two together, and if we move to indicators, we will see the divergence. Okay, even based on MACD, we will have a divergence. Again, divergence doesn't give us a trade, but it shows us that the possibility of the price can drop. Okay, now the question is, that means if we get any sell setup, we take it. But the question is whether if we get the sell setup, this is the one is going to come to this low, or may we expect the price to get similar one we have here. That means we get the price can drop, but similar to this. In that case, we will have this. If, for example, if we get from here or higher, we will have this big correction for the next move up. Okay, that means if we get any sell setup, we don't have any trade trade setup for sell right now. But if we get any sell setup, we need to manage it, because of may we get the bigger correction for the next move up before the price can drop. Okay, anyway, based on forward chart also, we don't have the trade setup, but if we get any sell setup, we can trade. Even the based on the indicators, we have a divergence. And if we move to lower time frame based on 1 hour, okay, based on 1 hour, we can put our trend line here. Okay, and also based on the 1 hour, we can see the price drop. Now the question is whether we can put this one in relative to this as a correction for this for the next move up. Okay, now the thing is, again, based on 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup, but if the price drops some more, any buy setup within this range, you can take it, but the buy will be short-term buy because we are within this correction. How long we will be within this correction, we are not sure. Okay, and as I say, this one can be a correction. That means the possibility we get one move up, one buy within this range also is there, but any buy we consider as long as the price comes to this high, we try to manage it. But right now we don't have that trade set up for buy. Let the price drop some more, then if we get any buy setup, we take it. Rather than that, we don't have any trade setup. How about if the price drop and come to this level, still we can look for buy. But if the price break, then we get the correction. At that time, we need to look for the sell. And one more thing, how about if we get a correction here? As I say, as we can see the price dropping, how about if we get a small flag here? Do we need to look for sell or not? Do we need to look into that? because if we get the sell, we need to get the we need to expect the price come at least to this low. Or if we get the sell, as long as the price break this low, we need to start to manage it. Okay, it depends how we can trade it. We need to wait, but right now we don't have any trade set up. And if we want to look for buy, let the price drop some more, then we trade within this range and consider for the short term buy. How about if the price sharply reverse from here? We don't take the trade, let it be, because trading within this, I mean, when the price moving within this range, if we want to trade any trade, we consider as a short term, unless we put, I mean, we trade based on the higher time frame, because as we can see, the price keep correcting and moving. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade set up here right now, and we just follow the chart, and based on the higher time frame, we are more interested in the down move if we can get. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any trade setup, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.